Yo, what's going on guys today? Welcome back to a brand new vlog, and today we are at this waterfall in the mountain guys, and I'm going to take you guys on this journey with me. So make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Guys, what is this? I think this is called a dassie or something.
Hello, Daphne.
Don't disturb, he's eating.
What is banana? He's eating a banana.
Guys, look at this. As you guys didn't know, I filmed some beautiful montages, so there is something to look forward to. Let's roll those montages. Okay guys, so this waterfall is actually called MERINGSPOORT. I just saw it over there. It's a nature reserve. So the waterfall, as you guys can see, there's a staircase walking all the way up to there, somewhere all the way into here. I came here many years ago. It's been a couple of years, so I'm going to show you guys I'm taking you guys with me on this journey. Okay guys, this is the walkover bridge. Then we've got some water over there. As you can see, it's like muddy water. And then over there as well. Okay guys, so here our journey begins. All the staircase, all the stairs, all the way up to the waterfall. Whew. Guys, that was massive. Get a small staircase here. Sure. That was now a massive staircase. Oh, I tell you, okay guys, so we made it to the waterfall, and yeah, I need to show you guys.
Yes, it's good, very good.
As you guys can see, the waterfall. This is not yet. We still need to go to the big waterfall over that side. So we have all those bumpy footpaths to get to our waterfall. Hoi man, ons water look lekker, né? Okay guys, so somewhere over there's like some bubbles coming up and we don't know what the hell is there in this waterfall right now. What is that thing in there? We saw like a few small, like 2 frogs, like small ones, somewhere there. But I don't know what's that there. We've seen like 4 times already. We've seen bubbles coming up from there in that corner, guys. I ain't swimming in here, bruh. I'll come back here and jump from sure, nah. From that rock there. Or from this, nah, I can't climb. I think from this rock here. Or from this one here. But then I must reach. How much subscribers, Maran? We must come back here and I jump from that rock over there. 500. I think you guys should make like 1,000 subscribers and I'll come back here in this year of 2023 and I'll take a jump from there. I promise you guys, I'll come back here for 1,000 subscribers in this year. 2023, I must hit 1,000 subscribers. I'll take a jump from there for you guys. You guys should leave a comment below and I'll tag this video. What? There is something there.
It's a white frog.
A white one. There.
No. Look, like he's moving on it.
Nope, that's not a frog.
That's a frog.
That's not a frog.
That's a frog.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me know in the comments what animal or creature could be like in water like this, especially from water that's coming down from the mountain into a what to call this? Like into a massive pond. Let me know what animals could they be, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and share this to your friends and your family so they could also subscribe. Because I'm currently on 17 subscribers right now, so yeah, let's boost those subscribers. It's funny how they made the stairs though, after this rock. And it's like deep. Huh? Okay, I see you. There's it.
Red bubbles that you saw.
Okay guys, so I hope you watched the video all the way to this very end where you don't see me speaking, but yes, I'm speaking. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe and definitely leave a comment, because if you guys did not know, I'm on vacation. So I'll see you in the next. Peace out.